At the U.S. Senate Federal Credit Union, our customers are our members. They have direct ownership in our organization, and they've got very real interest in our success and what we can innovate on. VMware Cloud Foundation is a central part of our team's strategy that brings together all the different aspects of running our own private cloud environment and enables us to operate such an environment at a scale and sophistication that we otherwise wouldn't be able to achieve.
VMware Cloud Foundation is kind of those Swiss knives. You have plenty of different tools, and they're at hand when you need them.
In a private cloud environment, we can provide a level of security that we feel is unmatched with any public cloud provider.
In this organization, we are exploring a new world where we can build our application, where we can use AI to create more technology, where we can use machine learning to provide better services.
What we've really looked for in Broadcom is a partnership that allows us to explore any opportunity that arises quickly and effectively.
Private AI is very important for us because it allows us to play with our own application.
We see AI in customer service as such a powerful use case. Everything from knowledge-based powered chatbot answers to our internal staff, all the way to delivering financial answers to our members on whatever device they use for banking. VMware Cloud Foundation was instrumental in meeting our business objective to begin evaluating artificial intelligence within our enterprise.
When it comes to VMware Cloud Foundation, I can say that we were able to create that in a couple of days. Then the part of private AI, I would say another 2 days, maybe 3. Everybody who is listening may be, saying, oh, if that guy could do it, why can't I?